You've probably seen these amazing cinematic films. They look absolutely incredible and super realistic. Now, one of the biggest AI websites has made Seedance 2.0, MCP, AI image generation, and video creation completely free. As you can see, you can create complete cinematic films like these using just a single prompt. These types of videos go extremely viral on YouTube and other social media platforms. Last time, I showed you how to create giant crocodile videos, and now you can also create realistic snake movies and many other AI films. Just look at these examples. 3.2 million views, 110K views, 8.8 million views, and even 38 million views. These realistic AI films are getting millions of views. With Higgsfield, you can create trending, realistic movies that look almost like real-life footage, whether it's snakes, deer, or any other scene. Yes, we'll be using Higgsfield completely free for the next 24 hours. And in this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Now, let's get started and learn how to create amazing cinematic AI films that keep people watching until the end. Before we begin, here's some exciting news. For the next 24 hours, Higgsfield is offering free access to its powerful AI tools. By connecting the Higgsfield MCP, you can use Claude, generate AI images and videos, and even access the Seedance 2.0 model, all for free. Before we begin, here's some exciting news. For the next 24 hours, Higgsfield is offering free access to its powerful AI tools. By connecting the Higgsfield MCP, you can use Claude, generate AI images and videos, and even access the Seedance 2.0 model, all for free. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to connect Higgsfield MCP with Claude and start creating amazing AI content. Whether you want to make viral videos, cinematic films, or high-quality AI ads, this tutorial covers everything you need. So let's get started. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to connect Higgsfield MCP with Claude and start creating amazing AI content. Whether you want to make viral videos, cinematic films, or high-quality AI ads, this tutorial covers everything you need. So let's get started. First, go to the MCP option at the top and click on it. Or I'll provide the link in the description so you can log in directly. If not, simply click on the MCP option. After that, click on Start Creating with Claude. This will create your connection with Claude. Once it's done, you'll see a screen like this. Then click on the Customize option. Inside Customize, you'll find the Connectors section. Open it, click Add, then copy the Higgsfield MCP link. Paste the link here and give it any name you like. Next, click the plus icon and make sure the connector is connected. As you can see, mine is connected successfully. Now copy the black prompt that I've provided and paste it into Claude. Also write Use Higgsfield so it knows to use the Higgsfield MCP for free. Then press Enter. It will take a few seconds. After that, it will ask which style you want to create. Stylish, cinematic game, or photorealistic. I'll choose photorealistic action. Next. It will ask whether you want a Navy officer or a Special Forces commando. I'll select Special Forces Commando because it's the best option for action films. You can choose whatever fits your story. Then select the 16:9 aspect ratio. After a few moments, it will show you the top 10 story ideas. I'll choose the snake story at number 6. I'll copy that story and paste it back into Claude. After a few seconds, it will start generating the complete story and creating the images automatically. Whenever the Allow button appears, make sure to click it. As soon as you do, the image generation will begin. You can see that all the images are now being created. After that, it will automatically start generating the videos as well. Keep clicking Allow whenever it appears. Now you can see it's using Seedance 2.0 to generate the videos. The results are amazing. Some of the videos are already finished. Just look at the quality. Here's one video, and here's another one. You can see it has automatically added the visuals, sound effects, background audio, and everything else. Slowly, all of your videos will be generated automatically. In this complete course, I'll show you how to create everything with just one prompt, and then how to combine all the scenes into a single cinematic movie, with audio, voiceover, and everything perfectly put together. So friends, as you can see, the videos have started generating. The background music is already included, and the results are amazing. Just look at them. They look like realistic cinematic films. You can create the same quality by following the steps I'm showing you. Now, let's move to the next step. If you want to download a video, simply click the download button. If you want to download a specific scene, click Download Scene, and it will be downloaded to your device. All the scenes will continue generating automatically. It may take a little time, but not too long. Once all the scenes are ready, copy the second trend prompt that I've provided. Paste it here and write, "Do not combine, separate video clips." Then paste the prompt. After a short wait, it will process everything. You can create a 2-minute, 10-minute, or even a 15-minute video. It's completely up to you. Whenever the Allow button appears, make sure to click it. After a few moments, your complete video will be ready. As you can see, the 2-minute video has been generated successfully, and the result looks fantastic. Now, if you want to add a voiceover, copy the third prompt, part 2, that I'll provide, and paste it here. It will automatically add the voiceover to your video. As you can see, the female voice has already been added. That's it. This is how you can easily create any type of AI video you want. It's an amazing website with powerful features and incredible results. Now, friends, click on the free trial button. As you can see, there's a $0 plan. Simply click on it and enter your credit card or debit card details. Then click Start Trial, and you'll get 24 hours of free access. Yes, this free offer is available until July 30th, so don't miss it. If you'd like to continue using it after the trial, you can choose one of the paid plans. There are plans starting at $9, $18, and $41 per month with the yearly subscription. A 58% discount is currently available for a limited time, so grab it while the offer lasts. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.
Deceiving calm of the open ocean, a fleet stands watch, unaware of what waits below. Something ancient stirs in the deep. The sonar does not lie, and it is enormous. It rises, a monster older than memory, born from the darkest trench of the sea. Steel bends, ships fall. Nothing built by man was ever meant